What is up, everyone? My name is Stanley, and welcome to 3 Minute Design. Recently, I joined to this workshop by Seth Godin and Bernadette, and they talk about stories. They learn how to craft stories, how to convey a message, and I've been thinking to myself, okay, that's nice. I want to learn this, the marketing. And they say that the storytelling is like the new marketing, right? But I've been thinking about it lately. I've met a friend of mine, and she asked me, "Okay, but why do you learn to tell stories?" And I thought to myself, actually, I don't know. I just started to learn because I thought that it was cool, but now that I actually think about it, I don't know why. But so I had this mindset that honestly, okay, I started it, but why, to be honest? And then on all of the sudden, yesterday's lessons came in and it opened my eyes. There was this experiment where they were telling a very sad story about Brian, or whatever his name, uh, spending time with his dad. And the Brian actually was having a cancer. He was going to die in 3 months. So it was a story about how his father felt very bad playing with Kevin. His name was Kevin, because he knew that this child will soon be dead and he couldn't enjoy it. And even now, as I say, I'm like, oof, I just feel it. And I knew about it, and I knew about these kinds of things that after they got people, they divided them to two groups. One of them saw the movie of Kevin and his father, and in second movie, the story of Kevin and his father was plain dead. They were just walking. There was no storyline whatsoever, no emotions. And afterwards, they divided these two groups. And afterwards, each of them was presented with a $20 bill as a gift for taking a part in this kind of experiment, as usually happens. And they were asked, would they like to donate to charity, taking care of the children? And obviously, as you might think, people who watched the story of Kevin were much more likely to donate the money. And I saw this experiment before. I knew about it. I was like, yeah, sure, of course, that's logical. But only now that I think about it, I thought to myself, okay, so telling the proper story to our audience can influence how they make decisions, how they spend money, for example, on your business. So that's the reason why I learned to tell stories, and I will highly encourage you to also tell one. Bye.